Oh my goodness, guys, the Sea Sisters are finally here. Mermaids are just my thing. I love, love mermaids. I am so excited about this. I am going to use Polymer Clay. I'm going to use transparent, which is like a clear see-through kind of a thing, pearl white, a reddish coral color, and a true gold. I prepped all my clay, and here I'm working with a transparent. It doesn't look transparent, like completely see-through like glass, but it does have an opacity to it that creates an image to see through. The reason why I am using the transparent is because I will be able to see the gold flecks that are infused into the gold, like what I'm doing now, after it's baked. So when you work with the gold leaf, make sure you're not in a breezy room whatsoever. Use the brush that comes with the kit. If not, just have a nice soft brush. Make sure your hands are clean and very dry. This stuff sticks to you and will stick to just anything. I did not use the sealant or the glue that comes in the kit. I'm just using the sheets, moving it around where I thought I would like it. So if you're looking for like a complete solid gold look, you'll need to layer it. Usually the sheets don't come out just one at a time. And as I was working with it, I felt kind of like maybe I wanted a little bit less. I wanted that transparent and pearl to kind of seep through where the gold wasn't. So that's what I'm trying to achieve here. I used the transparent with the gold leaf in it solely for the fin, and then throughout the rest of her body I went ahead and used the transparent and alternated back and forth with the pearl. I thought that might be nice to have kind of that variegated look. So I'm just placing kind of the different layers throughout it and making sure that it's nice and even as it reaches the ridge, and making sure that everything's covered. I wasn't 100% sure what it was going to look like, so I tried to use like a feathered off look with the gold leaf instead of leaving like a harsh line. We'll see how it looks. I placed the pearl over it, and then I'm going to move on to the next step with the new colors. I'm working on her hair now. There's where that coralish red came in. I just could not help myself. A mermaid needed to have red hair. Just remember that when you're doing these things, these molds are very well made, and there's a distinct line between the hairline and the face feature, so it's really easy to see where you would place it if you wanted to achieve these different looks without having to use paint or markers or any other medium. So I'm finishing up on her hair, and I'm going to get started. I just decided her body needs to be gold. I didn't have any other colors really to work with at this point, so I am prepping the gold and get started, and I decided to go with her face first and then over her bodice. That way it would kind of maybe blend a little better. At least that's what I'm hoping for, so we'll see, guys. I'm so nervous for this step, guys. I'm going to show you the reveal. Make sure that you turn your mold upside down and slowly peel back. That is the best way I get amazing results. And here she is, guys. Red hair, gold body, and a beautiful, beautiful fin. Oh my gosh, she's so cute, guys. Look how that gold leaf turned out. You can really, really see it. Now, as I'm showing you this, I just wanted to let you know it's really important to bake her after she is made. You'll put her in the oven for 275 degrees for about an hour. A little less is fine. Just don't go too long. You don't want to burn her. So she has a little sister there that I tried a different technique. Wasn't 100% sure about, but dang, I really like that gold. Yay, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'd be more than happy to talk you guys through it. Have a wonderful day. And again, everybody at CHiqued loves you. Thanks for being here.